na may international mafia sa likod ng lahat ng ito. Tandaan po natin na bagamat nasa Pilipinas ang operasyon ng Pogo, may mga foreigners po o foreigners talaga sa ibang bansa ang mga suki nito. Ang labis na ipinangangamba po natin ngayon, Madam Chair, ay ang mga nabibiktima na local government units na infiltrate na ang Banban, nakarating na sa Suwal, sa Porac, Pampanga, sa Cebu, etc. Hindi pa po natin alam hanggang sa ngayon kung ano-anong mga LGUs ang mga infested na ng mga Pogo. Anong mga LGU pa kaya ang nahawa sa Pogo pandemic na ito? Na-file na po natin yung Senate Bill number 2752 o ang Anti-Pogo Act. Pero kahit, Madam Chair, maisabatas po ito, kung hindi naman natin mapupuksa ang pinakaugat ng Pogo at matunton ang puppeteer nila alias Alice Go, babalik at babalik din po tayo sa kasamang dala ng Pogo. Madam Chair, this is the reason why we are all here to address and resolve the gaps in our laws. Let me remind everyone, unang-una, klaro po na dapat nating paigtingin ang mandato ng ating mga ehensya upang suriin ang mga bagay na nasa kanilang jurisdiction. Halimbawa, ang Philippine Coast Guard na nagsasabing hindi raw nila sakop ang pre-departure inspection ng mga pribadong sasakyang pandagat. Kailangan pong matakpan din ang mga loophole kagaya nito. Gayon din ang PSA sa pagtanggap ng delayed registration of birth certificates na madali naman palang malulusutan. Isa sa mga naging daan upang magawa ang napakalaking krimen at kasinungalingang ito. Pangalawa, Madam Chair, nais po nating bigyang pansin ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng isang tinatawag na integrated database ng ating mga ahensya. Yung pong alam ng isang ahensya, dapat po alam din ito ng ibang ahensya. Yung mga katulong nila na nag-iimplementa ng batas. Nakakalungkot nga, Madam Chair, because before I made my opening statements, I asked if we were able to get the protocols on how they develop their thought process, Madam Chair, para malaman kung ano yung posisyon nila. Madam Chair, ikatlong pagdinig ko ng binabanggit ito, ngunit hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin pong nagsasubmit. Huli at pinakamahalaga, Madam Chair, that I'd like to raise ay yung pangangailangan na paigtingin po natin ang batas at parusa, lalong-lalo na sa mga opisyal ng gobyerno na nagpuprotekta sa mga illegal na gawain. Hindi na po nila iniinda, Madam Chair, yung perpetual disqualification at dismissal. Kaya hanggat po may mga magpoprotekta sa mga kriminal at sindikato, nakakalungkot, babalik at babalik din po tayo dito. Maraming salamat, Madam Chair and dear colleagues.
Maraming salamat din, Senator Joel. For his opening statement, Senator De La Rosa.
Thank you, Madam Chair. My opening statement is all about the official statement coming from the Council of Chiefs, which I am a member, Madam Chair, if I may read this statement.
Please proceed.
The Council of Chiefs, 8th floor, State Center 2, Ortigas Avenue, Mandaluyong City. The Council of Chiefs, composed of former chiefs of the Philippine National Police, strongly condemns the irresponsible statement made by retired AFP Brigadier General, now a senior PAGCOR official, Raul Villanueva, during the Senate investigation of illegal pugos last September 17, 2024. Villanueva claims that based on unvalidated information and rumors circulating within the intelligence community, a former PNP chief helped in the escape of former Bamban Mayor Alice Go and is also in the Pugo monthly payroll. This is a sweeping accusation which maligns and brings dishonor to all of us, former chiefs, who have dedicated the best years of our lives in the service of the Filipino nation. Although we are now retired, we continuously uphold our integrity to the highest standards and our solemn pledge to serve and protect our country and people. As a retired Brigadier General himself, schooled in the Philippine Military Academy's tradition of producing an officer and a gentleman, it is incumbent upon himself in the interest of transparency, fairness, and justice to identify this rogue former PNP chief to clear the names of those not involved. However, if the information turns out false after validating the report, we hereby demand a public apology, no less, from the same officer. Signed, General Renato S. De Villa, Chairman, Council of Chiefs. Police General Edgar B. Aglipay, President, Council of Chiefs. Madam Chair, I'm going to make my questions during my time, Madam Chair. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator De La Rosa. Maitatanong din naman natin yan during this hearing. Hindi lang yung integrity na pinaka-importante at nandun nga sa statement, pero yung perception of integrity din na importante din. So, if there are no other opening statements for this hearing, i-reiterate ko lang at slightly correct yung sequence ng mga magtatanong pagkatapos ng COMSEC on the resource persons and the oath and the chair's first questions. Following the chair will be Senate President Pro Tempore, Senator Jinggoy, and then those who were not able to ask last time, Senators Joel and De La Rosa, and then Senator Gatchalian and Senator JV. And
Madam
yes,
Chair,
during the hearing,
Madam
we
Chair.
will also follow up on the protocols.
Madam Chair, with your indulgence, just
Yes,
like to,
Senator
before we start, just like to ask if Mayor Feliciano, ex-Mayor Feliciano is around.
Salamat, Senator JV. COMSEC, please include the status of Mayor Feliciano as resource person in your acknowledgement of resource persons and administration of the oath. Salamat, COMSEC. Salamat, Senator JV.
So the committee would like to acknowledge the presence of the following resource person. From the Department of Justice, we have Under Secretary Nicholas Felix T., Assistant Secretary Francis John Tejano. From the Office of Solicitor General, we have Assistant Solicitor General James Lee Condangan. From the Philippine National Police, we have Police Colonel Isagani Fetesanan. From the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, PNP, we have Police Colonel David Poclay. From the Philippine National Police, Police Major General Romeo Karamat. From the Provincial Director, Pampanga PPO, we have Police Colonel J. Dimaandal. Together with Mr. Alex De Leon Boraga.